How do student composers invent within networked social media environments? How do writing and participation in digital spaces help to engage many common learning outcomes of the first-year composition course? This video will answer these questions and more, and will showcase how I use the social media platform Slack to build a participatory learning network in my own pedagogy. To create a participatory learning network within a network composition pedagogical initiative, I use the social media platform Slack to help student writers to connect, to share, to build relationships, and to learn alongside one another. Connecting with fellow learners in a social media environment helps students to cultivate many of the writing and rhetorical skills that contemporary communicators need. Slack is a social media platform that allows for the formation of insular, private networks. Students compose on a weekly basis alongside one another, engaging in many of the practices of social media, but in a way that can help to form an ecology of learning. Asking students to compose in a network composition learning environment, such as a Slack channel, has potential to nurture digital literacy, rhetorical invention, distributed expertise, and the formation of learning ecologies, among other outcomes. Each week, a particular student engages a mode of participation to enact as their contribution to the learning community for that week. These modes of participation are varied, diverse, and open-ended, but they all replicate behaviors common to social media environments. In different ways, each participation mode can contribute to the building of interpersonal connections, the enactment of social learning behaviors, and the practice of rhetorical composing skills that contribute to meaningful social learning. In this Slack network, students are free to make their personal experiences valued contributions to the classroom with the share participation mode. Likewise, using the crowdsource participation mode, students can help each other to answer difficult questions about an assignment, and students engaging the connect mode link what they experience in everyday life or see on the news to course content. Other modes of participation include practice, meme, translate, and teach. Students are even encouraged to create their own participation modes. Along the way, students converse with one another, share, disagree, and learn through action and participation. The basic advantages of a network composition pedagogy for student learning are fairly apparent. Slack allows students to connect with one another and with their instructor. It allows them to compose in a variety of digital modes, including through writing, through images, through videos, through links, through voice recordings, through emojis, through memes, and through polls. As a platform, Slack is available to students on desktops, on laptops, and on mobile devices, and it can be accessed at any time from across the globe. In more abstract terms, Slack allows students to be participants in a network discussion of rhetoric and writing, in which they are active, contributing, participating, and empowered members. At its core, my iteration of a network composition pedagogical initiative uses Slack to facilitate social learning, to embrace the rhetorical practices of social media, to practice writing and rhetorical skills, and to allow students to share and connect in new ways.